In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PayPal link for payment. This is an incredibly useful skill whether you're a freelancer, running a small business, or simply need to request money from friends or family. Creating a payment link through PayPal makes it easy and convenient for other people to send you money without the hassle of dealing with cash or checks. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to need to head over to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in PayPal's website address. Once there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Be sure to double check your login credentials to avoid any hiccups. After entering this information, go ahead and click login and you'll be directed to your PayPal dashboard. On your dashboard, look for the Pay and Get Paid option. This is your go-to place for, as the name suggests, transferring and receiving funds. When you click on that, a drop-down menu should appear with several options. Focus your attention on the section labelled Accept Payments, where you'll find the Request Money option. Click there, and you're well on your way to creating a payment request link that's quick and easy to share. In the next window, you'll spot an option that says More Ways to Request. Clicking on this will unlock a feature that allows you to share your personal PayPal profile link easily with others. You'll want to click on Share Your Personal Profile for this to work. This action essentially sets up the stage for creating a direct link to your PayPal account, where others can send you the money you've requested. After you've chosen to share your profile, the next step is pivotal. Look for a share icon located next to your profile. Clicking on this will bring up the link associated with your paypal.me profile. Once you see this link, click on the option there to copy link. This is the golden link you'll be sending out for payments. Finally, decide how you'd like to distribute this link. You can share it through email, text message, chat, or even via social media, depending on what's most convenient for you and the person from whom you're requesting payment. Make sure the link is sent securely and confirm with the recipient that they have received it. And that's all there is to it. You've now created and shared a PayPal link, making it simple for anyone to send you payment. This process not only streamlines the way you request money, but also provides a digital paper trail for yourself and those who are paying you.